Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Tesla Model 3 Performance in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 9,000 miles on the odometer, 15-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 271 horsepower electronic motor, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6249A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.